Welcome to Be Yog, Be Your Own Guide. This is day 30 of the 30-day evening meditation series. You have arrived at the final practice in this 30-day journey. It's now time to return to the stillness that's been waiting for you all along. Find a comfortable position where you can just let go and truly, deeply rest. Gently close your eyes if that feels okay, or else just lower your gaze. Allow the muscles on your face to soften. Unclench your jaw. Drop your shoulders. Breathe in soft and deep into the belly, into the pelvic floor. Letting the exhale out through the nose, softly, gently paced out. And letting it all go. Letting it all go and dropping into your body's normal, natural rhythm of breathing. Now feeling the body from the ground up, the feet, legs, hips, the contact points holding you, allowing you to take the support from the surface beneath you, from the earth. Continuing to feel into the body, moving into the belly, the ribs, your chest, the back, the spine. Allowing the soft breath to bring in spaciousness as it comes in. And create ease as it goes out. Feeling the weight of your body grounding you, rooting you deeper and deeper, and allowing yourself to sit in this body, fully embodied, present in your body in this moment here and now. As present as you can be. As you settle down here with the body, being aware if there are any thoughts that are still circling around, it's completely fine. Don't need to chase them away or control them, suppress them. Just allow them to be, witnessing them. With every exhale, allowing the mind to further slow down. Letting the thoughts be, maybe fade away as you continue in this space. As you breathe in, allowing the inhale to bring in a quiet, grounded calm with it. And allowing the exhale to gently let go, release. Release and let go whatever is not needed. Let go and release control. Let go and release needing to fix or do. With every inhale, reinforcing being here in this moment, just being. Bringing awareness now to the space behind your eyes and just softening the space a little, easing it out, easing the temples, the forehead, and allowing your breath to guide you inward into the warm, quiet center of your being. You're simply allowing your body in this moment as you allow your mind to slow down. You allow your body to rest, to just be. And in this rest, in this being, if you begin to drift away into sleep, that's okay. Let sleep come as it may. Absolutely okay. With the next several breaths, allow these words to gently deepen your stillness. You may repeat these words out loud or within, or just simply listen to the words, allow them to land in your being. I welcome rest into my body. I welcome rest, recuperation, rejuvenation. I welcome it all into my body. In this moment, here and now, I am safe to let go. I am safe to surrender. I surrender to the healing, to the rejuvenation of my body and my being. I choose to release all that came before. I choose to let it all go. I trust the rhythm of life and rest, life and pause, life and ease. I trust the rhythm of my own body. I trust my breath. I trust my being. And if sleep emerges, I allow myself to drift into sleep with ease and peace in this moment. Now you may choose to let go and continue drifting into sleep, or you may continue listening, allowing the stillness to carry you into the night, tonight and every night. Allowing your body to continue opening, easing, softening, releasing. Allowing your mind to continue being a witness. Nothing to control, nothing to change, nothing to do. Just witnessing, allowing things to be and witnessing. Thank you for walking this 30-day journey with me. Thank you for meeting yourself every evening. Maybe you met yourself every single evening of these 30 evenings. Maybe you skipped a few. Maybe this is your first evening. All of those things and beyond are fine. The intention behind this 30-day journey is to give you the space, the opportunity to develop this deep self practice, to learn how to be your own guide, to come back home, to walk back home to yourself, each breath, every breath at a time. Thank you. Thank you for practicing. Thank you for meeting yourself. Until next time, be your own guide.